Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. What does that title say? Steak Fajita Quesadillas. Had some leftover steak, didn't know what to do with it, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.
As always, we're gonna start with our vegetables. We're gonna use 1 red onion, 1 green bell pepper, look at that, and 1 nice red bell pepper. And after this, you know what's next. Time to chop them all up. Now for our onions, we're just gonna slice them like this. And then when we're done, we're just gonna cut them in the center. That's it. And for our bell peppers, we're gonna cut these like the way I'm cutting them right here. And then I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna press pause and come back. Now that I'm back, I'm gonna chop up these red bell peppers just in strips. That's it. Same as the red onion, I'm gonna cut them just like this. Take all the seeds out, take them to the sink. I'll be right back. And now that I'm back, same as red bell peppers, we're gonna slice these green strips of green bell peppers just like this. Now, we're gonna cut up 2 limes. We're gonna use this later on in the video. And for our New York steak, we're gonna baste it with olive oil on both sides, and then we're gonna season it. We're gonna use this Kinder's Japanese barbecue seasoning. Very, very good. Remember, both sides. We're gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we're gonna throw our steaks in, let them sit for about 3 minutes each side. Now, time to flip them over to the next side. Another 3 minutes, and we take these bad boys out. Don't be afraid to, rub it all around with those extra juices on the bottom. Well, it's been about 3 minutes. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take it out and let it sit while I cook the vegetables. Now, I'm not adding anything in there, just throwing the onions just like that. I want to use the existing flavor that it has from the steak and the seasoning I used in there, and you'll see why. Just gonna keep stirring it and, kind of taking this stuff off of the bottom and just mixing it all around. Now I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. The reason I'm doing this is so it starts sizzling just like that and breaks up anything that's stuck to the pan. And we're gonna move this all around and mix it all up. After stirring for about 6 minutes at a medium high, just gonna stir it a little more. Now I'm gonna add my vegetables. And as always, after this step, mix everything in there and let it sit. Bell peppers take quite a while to cook. Since the onion's already in there, it's gonna take at least a good 8 minutes. So you wanna keep mixing it around. Now we're gonna add some Johnny's garlic spread and seasoning. We'll probably use about a tablespoon of this. Now some Kinder's the Fajita blend. And we're gonna use about a good 1.5 tablespoons of this. And last but not least, Kinder's the taco blend. We wanna use about a tablespoon of this. Don't worry, it won't be that salty. Now we're gonna add our lime. Now that our vegetables are done, we're gonna cut up our steak into slices, strips, however you wanna say it. And then I'm gonna cut them up into squares and put it back in to the pan. Now we're gonna put our meat back in here and then stir it up for about another 4 minutes. That's it. Now everyone knows how to make quesadillas, so I'm not gonna film it. You can put whatever you want, guacamole, chile, sour cream, it's on you.
And we're back. And just like that, my face is about to get, look, I try to get the cleaner one because it's gonna get real messy quick. Yep. Real simple to make, quick, fast, and it's delicious. And that's another one for you. Again, sometimes I have leftover stuff, don't know what to do with it. Again, come up with something fast and easy and share it with you guys. So again, don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends, hit the like button, leave a comment, do whatever you, or don't, leave a bad comment if you want. I mean, everyone's entitled to their opinion, right? But watch and learn, and don't get burned.